Oh, 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 oh. Time to fly with Tots. Let's go! Oh, oh, oh. Time to fly with 1, 2, 3, 4. Soaring through the skies of blue. It's time to fly with Tots. Bringing babies home to meet their happy moms and pops. Every day feels so sweet. We're making families complete.
Great work.
Singing oh, 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 it's time to fly with Tots.
Super duper switcheroo. Looking as handsome as ever, JP. Not a single hair out of place. Oh, at least there wasn't.
Papa play ball?
Hi, JP. We were playing ball with Lucky.
But I think he really wants to play ball with you.
Papa play ball!
I'm sorry, my beautiful boy. I know I promised we'd play ball, but today is a big day for your papa. Our reporter for Stork magazine is coming, and he's thinking about making me Stork of the Month.
Balls.
No, cool.
Yes, and he will be here any minute to join me on my next delivery. That is why everything must be perfect, including my hair. Where's my comb? My comb!
JP's comb.
Lucky, come back.
Papa needs to fix his hair.
He's going into Mr. Woodward's lab.
Lucky, get down from there. Oh, no.
Uh-oh, what did that do?
I don't know. Something seems different about these two, but I can't quite put my feather on it.
It doesn't matter. I must finish getting ready for the reporter.
JP, you're...
Running late? I know. And I'm also a puppy. A puppy? I look just like Lucky.
And Lucky looks just like you.
It's like JP and Lucky switched bodies.
That's exactly what happened. They've been zapped by my Switchinator 9000. It takes one thing and another thing and makes the two switcheroo.
Attention, JP. The reporter from Stork magazine has arrived.
Already? Oh, I cannot let the reporter see me as a baby. We have to switch back. Do I flip the switches? Press the button. Both at the same time. Careful. You're gonna break it. Can you fix it?
Of course. It'll only take a few hours.
A few hours?
Don't worry, JP. I'm sure the reporter will love you like this. You look pupperific.
Well, that is the problem. I can't be Stork of the Month if I'm a puppy. I'm supposed to take the reporter on a super-duper delivery, but I don't have any wings.
But Lucky does. Maybe he can make the delivery for you.
Oh, you really think that could work?
With our help, I bet the reporter won't even notice he's not the real JP. He just needs a little practice walking on two legs.
That's it, Lucky. One leg in front of the other.
You're doing great. Just like the real JP. But maybe a little less barking?
JP, there you are. Ready to show me why you should be Stork of the Month? Pardon me, but did you just say uppy dubba 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 dub?
JP wasn't talking to you. He was, talking to the baby he was delivering.
Hello.
JP is so good with the babies, he can even talk like one.
Wow, impressive.
Phew.
Okay, my little Lucky. You'll be helping deliver Kamari. Sound fun?
Papa play ball?
I know, I promised we'd play ball today. But right now we have to make this delivery so your papa can be Stork of the Month. Oh, are we delivering this adorable puppy too?
Nope, that's JP. Sign But he isn't coming.
Oh, yes, I am. I must make sure nothing goes wrong.
He says he actually is coming. I mean, he doesn't say anything. He's a puppy.
Bark! Bark! Aw, so cute.
Isn't he? Makes you just want to boop his little nose. Boop.
Well then, ready to fly, JP? JP?
Wait, Lucky doesn't know how to fly.
Huh. Looks like he does. Lucky! Spoke too soon. Be right back.
Flap, flap, Lucky.
You gotta use your wings. Like this.
Huh? Why?
That's it, my boy. Keep flapping. Great job, Lucky. Wow, what an unusual takeoff.
Unusually fun. Just look how much Kamari is enjoying it.
She does look pretty happy.
Now what we gotta do is make it to Kamari's forever home.
And then I will be Stork of the Month.
La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
Fun.
La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Like a rocket through the sky we go, bringing this baby home.
Soon you'll be with your family.
Bringing this baby home. I do the mapping.
And he does the napping.
Nothing?
He's supposed to be flapping.
Oh no, it's his nap time. Is he snoring?
Yep. He's so super duper, he can make deliveries in his sleep.
I've heard of flyers napping before or after a delivery, but never during one.
JP knows you can't be super duper without some super duper rest.
Maybe you should give it a try. There's a nice spot under that tree. We can wake you when it's time to take off.
I suppose a quick nap couldn't hurt.
Okay, coast is clear.
Lucky, my baby boy, it's time to wake up.
He's up, but he's cranky wanky.
We can't finish the delivery with him like this.
He needs a bottle. He always drinks one after his nap.
That's a good storky store.
Nothing like a nice bottle so you can finish this delivery. Right, Lucky?
Papa play ball?
I know you want to play ball with Papa, but we can't right now, or I won't be Stork of the Month.
Papa, no play ball?
Oh no, my Lucky is so sad.
How will Lucky deliver Kamari if he's so upset?
Oh. He will not. I think you two should finish the delivery instead.
Us? We'd be happy to help, but then you won't be Stork of the Month.
Yeah, it's so important to you, JP.
It was important, but nothing is as important as my little boy.
Aww.
I love.
Papa play ball?
Oh yes, Papa is ready to play some ball, just like he promised. Nice sauce, baby boy. It went so far down the path. Now back to you.
Wait a minute. That's the path to Kamari's home. JP, maybe there's a way you can play ball with Lucky and finish the delivery.
There is?
Yep, by playing ball all the way to Kamari's home.
What a refreshing nap. Did I miss anything?
Nope, JP's just, playing ball with his son.
But doesn't he still need to finish the delivery?
That's the thing about JP. He's so super duper, he can do both at the same time.
You got it! Special delivery! I gotta say, JP, that was the super duperest delivery I've ever seen. Bark, bark?
JP likes to bark sometimes. It makes him feel even closer to Lucky.
It's so nice to see such a special father-son relationship. Well, I better get going. I'd say you have a very strong chance of being Stork of the Month. Pip, Freddy, there is something I must tell you.
Do you need a diaper change?
No. I want to thank you both. You not only helped make this delivery, you helped make my Lucky smile. I am just so happy.
Aw, he already knew you were happy, JP.
You did? How?
'Cause your cutie patootie tail keeps wagging.
It is pretty cute, isn't it? But now it's time for Mr. Woodward to switch us back.
There you go. All back to normal, you two.
It feels so good to be back in our own bodies, doesn't it, Lucky?
JP, after you see this article, you're gonna feel even better. Not only did the reporter name you Stork of the Month and think you were the super duperest flyer,
He thought you were the super duperest papa, too.
Wow, we look good. Now, where were we?
Play ball! Play ball!
Ah, yes!
forget us.
We wanna play.
Best bird detectives.
Detective Pipster is on the case. A ball is missing from the nursery, and he won't stop looking till he finds it.
With a little help from his partner, Detective Freddy Moon, and the world's cutest baby owl detective, Orma.
Detective!
Aww, she sure loves playing this game.
Come on, Orma, let's look for a clue.
Cool.
A clue is some new information that helps solve the mystery.
Cool! Cool!
That's right. Keep your owl eyes open. A clue! I found a clue!
That's my foot, Freddy.
You're right. That won't help us solve the mystery.
Hey, fellas. What you looking for?
Orma lost her ball, so we're playing detective to help her find it.
Detectives!
Aww, you haven't seen Orma's ball, have you?
It's round, red, rolls around the lot.
Afraid not. I've been out taking clues here for a walk around Tots. Coquille frogs like him just love to bounce around.
Cool! Cool!
I think Orma found a clue. A trail of sand.
It looks like something rolled right through the sandbox.
Something like a ball.
Oh, ball!
Nice work, detectives. Look how happy Orma is.
Ah, yes. Helping someone solve a mystery is the best part about being detectives.
That and the fun hats.
Well, it's time for me to put this little coquille cutie down for his nap.
Where'd it go? Did it come in here? Where is it?
Don't worry, Mr. Woodbird. We'll help you find it. What are we helping you find?
That unusual squeaking noise. I've heard it all around Tots, but I can't figure out what's causing it. It's a total mystery.
Did you just say mystery?
Mystery?
You're in luck, Mr. Woodbird, because we're the best bird detectives.
We can help solve your mystery.
Well, that'd be swell.
Charlie, come back!
Let's start at, the start. Where was the first place you heard this unusual noise?
Well, let's see. I suppose it was near the pond.
And what exactly did the squeak sound like?
Did it sound like this? Squeak.
No.
Well, what about this? Squeak.
Not quite.
Maybe it was more like a squeak.
Wasn't that either. There. That's it. That's the squeak.
Sounds like it came from the hangar.
Listen for the squeak, Orma.
I don't hear it anymore either.
That's weird. I was sure it was coming from the hangar.
It's all right, boys. Thanks for trying.
Wait, we've got time to do more detectiving before we deliver Orma to her family. We're gonna find that squeak.
That's right. You've got the best bird detectives on the case. We're the best. It's right in the name.
Detective.
Oh, that sure is nice of you three. While you're looking for the squeak, I'll go make sure everything around Tots is in working order. Sometimes things squeak when they need fixing.
Go, go,
Clue, clue.
It sure is a clue. Everyone, follow that squeak. Best bird detectives know what to do. Best bird detectives
find every clue. That way.
from the pond to the tower.
Gonna search and scour.
Something from this flower.
We're on the case.
Gonna find the squeaking. Mr. Woodbird seeking.
Hey, is it just me? Or are your blankets out of place?
Clue.
If you got a mystery to solve,
You can just give our crew a call. Best bird detectives. Can't catch a break. Nope. Best bird detectives.
How long does this usually take?
Now time.
now low down.
It's Mickey Squeak is still around.
But we won't stop until it's found.
Best bird detectives.
I don't hear the squeak anywhere.
No clue.
It's okay, Orma. We'll find the squeak, right, Freddy?
I'm up here looking for clues. And I just found something really important.
The squeak?
Nope. The best place to bounce at times. This trampoline. Woohoo! I'm okay.
Come on! We're running out of time before we need to deliver Orma. We've gotta find that squeak.
Did you see Squeak? I know where to find a squeak.
Clue.
It sure is a clue.
Show us the way, Bodhi. Oh!
See? It won't stop making this scary squeaking sound.
Thanks for the tip, Bodhi, but I don't think this is the right squeak.
The one we're looking for sounds more like that.
Clue, clue.
After that squeak!
Oh, don't worry about me. I'll be fine. It's just a chair. It's not that scary.
Lucky?
Stop right there, you sly dog. We know you're the one who's been making the squeaks. Or maybe you're not?
Yeah, Mr. Woodbird squeak went cookie. Lucky's toy goes.
Oh no! The delivery bell! It's time to deliver Orma!
Detective.
Sorry, Orma. We gotta get you home now.
We better go tell Mr. Woodbird we weren't able to solve the case of the mystery squeak.
No.
Oh, thank goodness. There you three are. I need your help. Charlie the baby cheetah has been running all over Tots. And when I finally caught him, Cruz was gone.
Cruz is gone. Which one is he again?
The bouncing baby coquille from this morning.
You can't find him?
No, I've looked everywhere. I could really use your detective skills.
I wish we could help, but it's almost time to take Orma home. And besides, it turns out we're not as good at detectiving as we thought.
Huh? What are you featherballs talking about? I saw how you found Orma's missing ball.
That was an easy one. The ball was right in the nursery. But we've searched for Mr. Woodbird's mystery squeak all over Tots. And we didn't find a thing.
We thought we were the best bird detectives. But it turns out we're the worst.
Fellas, you are the best bird detectives. And it's not because you're the best at finding clues or wearing silly hats.
Although we do look great in them.
It's because you never give up. Pip, you said the best part about being detectives is helping someone solve a mystery. And I could sure use some help right now. What do you say?
I say Let's solve this case.
Detective!
But we gotta be quick. It's almost time to deliver Orma. Okay, Casey, where was the last place you saw Cruz?
The nursery.
I put him in his crib for a nap.
Anything else you can tell us about him?
His height? His weight?
His favorite kind of cheese?
I don't know if he likes cheese, but he does love to bounce.
If you were a baby who loved bouncing, where would you go?
The Sky School! It's the best place to bounce at tots.
Cruz! There you are!
You bouncy little nugget. I'm so glad we found you.
Whoa! Did you hear that?
It's the mystery squeak. It sounded close.
Really close. Like it came from...
Cruz?
Cruz is the one making the squeak.
That's Cruz's special croak. All cookies make that sound.
Oh, that's why they're called coquilles.
And that's why we were hearing that sound all over Tots. It was Cruz looking for good places to bounce.
Uh-huh.
We just solved 2 cases. The case of the mystery squeak and the case of the missing cutie. Wow, we really are the best bird detectives around.
Detective!
So the squeak wasn't coming from the delivery system at all?
Nope.
And I took all this apart for nothing?
Yep.
Well, good thing I love building. Thanks for finding the squeak.
Well, Best Bird Detectives, guess we solved all the mysteries that needed solving today.
Actually, there's one more. The mystery of how adorable Orma and her parents will look in their very first family photo. And I have a feeling it's gonna be the cutest case ever.
Detective!